Grab is a utility program in macOS for taking screenshots. It supports capturing a marquee selection, a whole window, and the whole screen, as well as timed screenshots. The program originated in OPENSTEP and NeXTSTEP, and continued to be pre-installed by Apple on macOS until version 10.13, High Sierra. It was replaced by the utility screenshot in macOS 10.14, Mojave. On macOS versions 10.13 and earlier, Grab is found in the folder Utilities, which is a subdirectory of applications. It may be quickly opened by using the Spotlight function when entering Grab, or by pressing Command key CMD plus Shift plus G and typing /applications/utilities/grab.app in Application Finder. It was previously also found in the Finder menu under Services Grab. As of macOS X version 10.4, Preview had a submenu item, Take Screenshot, in the File menu, with Selection, Window, and Timed Screen. In more recent versions of macOS, Grab saves screenshots in the tagged image file format, TIFF. In macOS, it is also possible to save screenshots directly to the desktop in PDF format, earlier versions of macOS, or PNG format, later versions, using keystrokes shown below. For DRM reasons, it is not possible to use this software while DVD player is open. Grab helps determine the size of an element on the screen. After using the selection feature and capturing the screen, one can select Inspector from the menu or press Command key CMD plus 1, or Command key CMD plus I. A dialog box will appear with the dimensions of the selected area. Selection takes a picture of a part of the screen that you select. Window takes a picture of a window you select. Screen takes a picture of the entire screen. Timed screen lets user start a timer and activate part of the screen, such as a menu, and then takes a picture of the screen. References